Guys, where are they? Oh, okay. Hit! Back in! Nice run the tower. First time? First deck? Yeah. Consider ammo! What? So I'm in the field. That's all I know. Hey! Reloading. Hey guys, back in! Back in! He did! Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, okay. Okay, now how many lives do I have left? 2? Or do I respond 2 more times? Okay, so I got. Then that was my. Now I got 1 left. There's a couple guys.
Brad, how much time?
28 minutes.
Sit. There you go. Thanks, man.
Dead.
Ah, fuck again, you guys! What's going on? Shit! Hit! We got a sniper on the barrier. Hit! Hit! Where? Hit! Whoa!
Inside the fence?
He's out.
You got him? Don't let him in the fence!
Wait, isn't that the second time? Yeah. How did he?
Go at the bit, at the court, right up front.
Do you mean Noah, Aaron?
Down at the berry, right up front. Watch the right side. Watch behind you. Hey guys, watch out over the left.
How are you doing on ammo?
Going around, not that much, but better than no good. You want to see what this
Right in front!
How much time, Rob?
4 minutes.
4 minutes, guys.
I'm liking this place a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna have to redo it.
It was so fun.
Back in!
Hit!
Guys!
Left!
Hit!
He's hit.
On your fire!
Pretty quick.
How much time?
Get him.
Here's 3 people.
Yes, Nick. Oh, we should have Nick in the tower.
They
They don't hit him, we win.